Hi, welcome to Tech Tutors, and today we're going to talk about documentary films, and I'm going to explain every element of a documentary film in this video. This video is going to help you in creating your own documentary film on your favorite subject, so stay tuned. What is a documentary film? How it all started? And what is the trend? Well, a documentary film is basically a motion picture that shapes and interprets factual material for purposes of education or entertainment. Documentaries have been made in one form or another in nearly every country and have contributed significantly to the development of realism in films. But what is a documentary film? A documentary film is a non-fictional motion picture intended to document reality, primarily for the purposes of instruction, education, or maintaining a historical record. Documentary has been described as a filmmaking practice, a cinematic tradition, and mode of audience reception that is continually evolving and is without clear boundaries. Documentary films were originally called actuality films and were 1 minute or less in length. Over time, documentaries have evolved to be longer in length and to include more categories, some examples being educational, observational, docufiction means a documentary based on fiction. Documentaries are meant to be informative works and are often used within schools as a resource to teach various principles. John Grierson, a Scottish educator who had studied mass communication in the United States, adopted the term in the mid-1920s from the French word documentaire. The documentary style film, though, had been popular from the earliest days of filmmaking. While currently, documentaries are also being made to satisfy CSR projects, university projects, and people making vlogs to showcase the real experiences they have encountered. There are 6 different suggested modes of documentaries, and that are poetic, expository, observational, participatory, reflexive, and performative. So now you know what is a documentary film. But how you're going to make it? How can you create your own documentary film? So there are some key steps I'm going to tell you that will help you in creating your own documentary film. Step number 1. Select a story. Do some research on that story. Learn everything you can about your documentary subject. You need to make a plan. You need to create an outline. Step number 2. Write a script. Now you need to write a script around your subject and your story. You need to align everything, like what you need to ask questions from the subject or from the participant, or where are you going to take your camera to shoot the location. You need to finalize the locations, you need to finalize the people to whom you will be asking questions, or you're going to cover a landscape. So there are 3 steps to write a script. In the first third half of the film, you are going to showcase the problem. In the middle 1/3 part, you're going to showcase the solution of the problem. And in the last, you're going to showcase the result. Step number 3. Start shooting. See, now you have everything and you can start shooting right now. You need to shoot interviews, you need to shoot the locations as scripted and other scripted items. Step number 4. Begin editing. And now you have everything, script, a story, a subject, and all the videos that you have recorded, all the interviews, all the landscape shots, everything, all the dialogues. Now you need to start editing your video and create what you have dreamed of. Step number 5 is very important. You need to check all the legal and copyright issues. You cannot use any music or any song in your background of the video. You can get a copyright complaint and you won't be able to monetize your video on the YouTube.
So that's it, guys. Now you know what is a documentary and all the steps to create a documentary. Well, do come back for more such videos. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.